Okay, welcome to Java in 1 minute. Right here, we're going to tell you this right here, you just need to have this in all your code. This up here, just make sure that the class name is the same name as your file name. Make sure you save it as .java. Here are something called variables. A variable can have anything, think of it as like a storage unit, okay? A contains 1, B contains Caleb, number contains 1.1. This is something called a string. Strings are caught between two parentheses. Okay, down here, system.println. This means a new line, but that doesn't matter. Right here, it's just saying a string is adding to A, adding to B, adding to number. They're not actually adding together, essentially they're just putting them together. Right here, you look, we'll compile it, which means that we're putting the code and making it work, and then we go down, we try to run it, boom, hello Caleb, 1, Caleb, 1.1. Yay, it's printing out everything that we've put here. You can see this code, you can copy it. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. Have a good day!